art scene in Raleigh is so unique. There's such a variety of different artists, from spoken word artists to visual artists and musicians.
I love that this city puts such an effort into showcasing the art of the people who live here.
A great way to engage in the Raleigh art culture is by looking to see what goes on First Friday.
I think it's important to showcase the artists and their art. That is how we are going to sustain as a society.
And maybe you can learn more about the city and place by meeting the artists themselves.
Events like Brush the Skyline invite people into the art community who might not even consider themselves to really be artists.
It not only connects people with the local artists that are so special to Raleigh, but it also gives people the chance to create their own story and to learn from an artist.
Not experienced painter whatsoever. I find with kind of like any art, if I try to plan too much or lean into a structure, it just doesn't work for me.
It's a safe space. You do not have to be an artist to join the class. You come to have a glass of wine. You come look at the sky. You come to connect with other individuals like yourself.
It's actually been a challenge to do the Raleigh Skyline, but it's fun to see their techniques and learn stuff that I wouldn't have done before.
At the end of the day, people want to create, and Brush the Skyline makes it really easy to do that. And being able to create and enjoy something really unique to Raleigh in such a small, intimate group is really special. It is so important to celebrate the work of female artists because there is so much talent out there. Raleigh has an incredible growing community of female artists from all different types of art.
I think nowadays sometimes it's discouraged to embrace art when there are other technical realms of the world and they want to put you in a box. And I think my message for women would be to get rid of the box. Find the time to sit with your creativity. Creativity is a feminine energy and you have to embrace that.
Just as my daughter looks up to me, I hope that I inspire other little girls to create in rooms that they think they don't belong in.
There's so much support and such a loving community in Raleigh that makes it possible to pursue what you love to do. And because of Raleigh, I can say that I'm an artist.
The way that People First Tourism puts the people, the artist, the entrepreneur in a place that's accessible to tourists, patrons of the art, I think that allows us to build such a strong art community.
They amplify it. They help to put the artists on blast. To have that partnership with organizations like People First Tourism and Visit Raleigh, they help make it possible.